What's that, beautiful friend? It's a helicopter. Helicopter. What are the color of the helicopter, friend?
Red.
Red and blue. You say helicopter? Good job. Helicopter. Good job. Let's try to make a sentence. I want car. I want car. Can you say go car? Whee! Can you say go? Ooh, vroom. Broom car, zoom zoom. And you have a what are? Yes, it looks like a Triceratops car. Good job, baby. Good job. What are the colors of the car? Can you tell me? That's correct. It's a red and yellow. Awesome! Awesome, friend! Good job!
What's this beautiful friend?
Oh, what is this, beautiful friend? Can you tell us?
Yeah.
That's correct. It's an owl.
Hoo-hoo!
Correct. What does the owl say again, please?
Hoo-hoo!
Hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl starts from the letter O. Oh, owl. Can you tell me what are the color of the owl, friends? That's correct. It's purple and yellow, and then there's a brown. Good job, friends. It's a jolly bee. It's look like a bee. Can you buzz like a bee? Bzzz. Bzzz. Let's pretend there's a lot of bees. Oh, I got one.
I got one.
I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! Stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew! It's yucky! I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Look, mommy! All clean! Good job, friend! I want apple, please. I want red apple, please, Dada. I love Dada. I love Mama. I want water, please, Dada. I Want food, please, Mama. And you got a shapes. It's a shapes, friend. Can you say, take it out, take it out, take it out. And we have a triangle. Okay. Take it out, take it out, take it out. And we got a blue cross. Take it out, take it out, take it out. And we have a green square. Out. A red circle. Can you show friends the shapes? Like, where is the circle goes? Is that a circle? No. Can you shake our head? No. No, no, no. 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 Yes. Can you nod your head? Yes. 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 Green square. Yes. A blue. Blue square. And last is orange triangle. Can you show our friends triangle? Triangle. Good job. Good job, friend. Again. Oh, can you find the shapes here? Like here? Okay.
You find a circle.
Okay, find a circle. Can you show to friend? What color is that, baby? A circle. Red circle. Circle starts from the letter C. Can we make our C sounds, friend? Good job. What's that, Paul? It's a blue cross. Put in b. Can you do that? Good job. What's that?
Put it in.
Green. Put it in. Good job. Put it in. What else? And orange. Oh, orange triangle. Awesome. Good job, baby. Okay. Oh, what is this beautiful friend? Can you tell us, friend? What is this, friend? That's correct. Is a sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba. That's correct.